Hi, I'm Bat from Become a Traveler. Before starting, please hit the subscribe button and give a like to the video. Let's go. Today we are learning some vocabulary about air travel. Let's start. It's a vocabulary list. 20 words will be displayed in French. Try to find the English translation.
Un avion.
A plane.
Un vol.
A flight.
Un vol intérieur.
A domestic flight.
Embarquer.
To board.
S'enregistrer.
To check in.
Un vol retardé.
A delayed flight.
Un vol annulé.
A cancelled flight.
Une escale.
A layover.
Un aller-retour.
A round trip.
Un aller simple.
A one-way ticket.
Décoller.
To take off.
Atterrir.
To land.
Une ceinture.
A seatbelt.
Attachez-détachez votre ceinture.
To fasten, unfasten your seatbelt.
Un passeport.
A passport.
Les bagages.
Luggage.
Aller faire du tourisme.
To go sightseeing.
À l'étranger.
Abroad.
Réservé.
To book. Congratulations, you did it. Don't hesitate to play the video again, or to watch another one. See you soon.